Candidates, welcome back, and today we are simplifying coordinate geometry for ZIMSEC O Level mathematics. Our learning objectives by the end of this video, you should be able to understand the Cartesian plane, plot and read coordinates accurately, find the distance between 2 points, calculate the midpoint of a line segment, determine the gradient, which is the slope of a line, and also use equations of straight lines. So guys, let's deep dive. Taking a look at our Cartesian plane, it consists of the x-axis and the y-axis, and the plane itself is divided into 4 quadrants by the x and y-axis. We plot our points in an ordered pair of x and y, where x being the horizontal position, left or right, and y the vertical position, up or down. Move 2 places on the x-axis and 3 points up on the y-axis, we'll get our point A as 2, 3. Moving 4 points on the negative side of the x-axis and 1 point up on the y-axis, we'll get our point B, negative 4, 1. Moving 2 places on the negative side of the x-axis and 3 points down on the y-axis, we'll get our point C, negative 2, negative 3. Take note of avoiding to mixing the x and y. Always move x first, the horizontal, then y, the vertical. Looking at finding the distance between 2 points using the distance formula. We are given point P, which is x1, y1, and point Q, x2, y2, and we have to find the distance between these 2 points. The distance is given by the formula d is equal to square root of the difference between x2 and x1 squared plus the difference between y2 and y1 squared. Given point A as 2, 3 and point B as 5, 7, using our formula we'll find out the distance between point A, B is 5 units. Now for finding midpoint of a line segment, we have our points A, B, and we have to find the midpoint M, which has the equal distance between A and B. We use our formula M is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. For example 1, let's find the midpoint of A, and we use our formula which results in M, 4, 6. A look at example 2, we have to find the midpoint of points P and Q, and we use our formula and we get M is equal to 1 minus 1. Imwe concept yatofana kubata under coordinate geometry is gradient, which is a measure of steepness. With our points A, B, and along the y-axis we are having a rise or a change. So we use the formula gradient M is equal to rise over run, or change in y over change in x. We get a positive gradient when our line goes up, a negative gradient when the line goes down, and we have 0 when our line is horizontal since there is no change in x, and the vertical line is an undefined gradient. Let's look at our example where we have to find the gradient, and we find positive 2, so our line was going up. Look at equation of a line which is given in the form y is equal to mx plus c. M represents our gradient, c is the y-intercept where the line crosses the y-axis, x and y are any coordinates on the line. On our graph, c is equal to 2, and if we move our graph up, it becomes 3, and if we push it down, it's now crossing the line at 1. Kuti tuane equation of a line yedu, we have to find c, the y-intercept first. So we will substitute our values in our equation and we find out c is equal to 3. So our equation becomes y is equal to 2x plus 3. So my candidates, I leave you with exam style questions. Please answer them before you check your answers, and please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.